Hello, I'm Jake with Robinson's Flooring, and today we're going to talk about how to protect and maintain the newly installed carpet in your home. So you just had new carpet installed in your home, and you want to keep it looking beautiful, maintain its warranties, and be able to remove tough stains. One of the first and most important things you're going to do is vacuum. Now, we recommend you vacuum at least twice a week. And the vacuum that you use needs to be well maintained and the right vacuum for the carpet you have. To find out that information, you'll have to refer to the manufacturer's website, and if you're unsure of who manufactured it, you can call the store that you purchased it from. Another issue you may face is stains. How do you remove a stain? At Robinson's, we like to use Nylac. Nylac is a stain-resistant cleaner. When cleaning a stain, you want to make sure to blot the stain. Blotting looks like this. Blotting is important because it's the best way to pick up that stain. Now, if you scrub the stain, which looks like this, you will actually push the stain further into your carpet. So, with our cleaner Nylac here, we would spray the stain, and this cleaner requires you leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, and then we would blot it. Now that should remove most stains, but if it doesn't, you can refer to the manufacturer's website. The manufacturer will have lists of how to get out very specific stains. Finally, to maintain your warranties, you should clean your carpet every 18 to 24 months. We recommend you use a certified cleaning company to steam clean your carpet, and you keep that receipt on hand if you ever need to fill out a warranty form.